Hello class, today we have Unit 2, Lesson 3. الوحدة الثانية الدرس الثالث Animals. Animals يعني حيوانات. Listen, point and say. استمع وأشر وقل. Frog. It's a frog. What color is it? It's green. It's green. Is it big or small? It's small. Mouse. What color is it? It's gray. Is it big or small? It's small. Cow. What color is it? It's brown. Is it big or small? It's big. Camel. What color is it? It's brown or yellow, the same. It's brown. Is it big or small? It's big. Hen. What color is it? It's white. Is it big or small? It's small. طبعا الهن معناها دجاجة. الدجاجة الحية هي هن. التشيكن هي الدجاجة المذبوحة اللي ناكلها. هذا الفرق. Donkey. What color is it? It's gray. Is it big or small? It's big. Snake. What color is it? It's green. Is it long or short? It's long. Bee. What color is it? It's yellow and black. Is it big or small? It's small. Dog. What color is it? It's black. Is it big or small? It's big. عندي بالصفحة الثانية it can. Listen and find. هنا طبعا احنا سويناها بالصف على شكل لعبة نحذرها للأولاد بالصف. عندي الحيوانات والأفعال اللي تجي وياها. For example, the frog can jump. It can jump. The hen, it can run. The bee, it can fly. The snake, it can crawl. The dog, it can run. إذن, can it fly? The bee. Can the bee fly? Can it fly? Yes or no? Yes. Can it run? The bee. Can it run? No. The bee can't run. لا تستطيع أن تركض. Who can run? The hen. Can it run? Yes, the hen can run. هنا عندي ask and answer. هاي هي الجيم مالتنا. نحذر. زينة تحذر دينا. Can it fly? Can it fly? Yes. Can it run? No. Is it a bee? Yes. هي تستطيع أن تطير. هل تستطيع أن تطير؟ نعم. هل تستطيع أن تركض؟ لا. هل هي النحلة؟ Yes. نعم، هي النحلة.